At CES 2025, Mova unveiled an impressive range of new products featuring industry-first technologies. Leading the charge was the V50 Ultra, a robot vacuum equipped with DuoSolution technology for tackling floors and pet messes. Its powerful 24,000 pascal suction, triple intelligence AI, and Stepmaster technology allow it to navigate obstacles up to 2.36 inches. The Turbo Wave Duo Brush and Flex Reach system covers blind spots, while its DuoSolution tanks cater to diverse cleaning needs. Meanwhile, the P50S Ultra combines power and agility, boasting a slim 3.19-inch frame, 24,000 pascal suction, and clean lift technology to protect carpets and ensure tangle-free, thorough cleaning. For advanced mopping, the Z50 Ultra wowed with its HydroSync mopping system, which uses running water and fluffs the mop while cleaning, leaving no stains behind. Featuring 19,000 pascal suction, smart dirt detection, and a tri-cut brush for tangle-free maintenance, it handles stubborn stains effortlessly. The hands-free base station provides mop washing at 75 degrees Celsius, drying and auto-refilling for a streamlined cleaning experience. Similarly, the P50 Pro Ultra and P50 Ultra brought versatility and power with 19,000 pascal suction, extendable side brushes, and an all-in-one maintenance system, making them indispensable tools for any household. Mova also introduced compact yet powerful solutions like the P10 Pro Ultra featuring Vormax suction, Mop Extend technology, and 7-in-1 auto maintenance for seamless cleaning. The innovative multi-mop replacement dock further enhanced cleaning efficiency by accommodating multiple mop sets for dedicated use in specific household zones, ensuring hygienic and thorough cleaning. Floor care reached new heights with the X4 Pro Smart Floor Washer equipped with 176-degree Fahrenheit hot water mopping, spot heat spray for tackling tough stains, and a quiet air drying base station. For lightweight cleaning, the M10 and K30 impress with featherweight designs, advanced tangle-free solutions, and powerful suction for versatile use. The S4 Detect and S1 Detect cordless vacuum models offered exceptional suction, multi-surface cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly features like Opti Insight illumination for precise cleaning. Beyond cleaning, Mova showcased personal care and kitchen innovations. The Fresh Pro electric toothbrush featured 3D clean technology for superior oral hygiene, while the Turbo hair dryer delivered salon-quality results with a lightweight design, 110,000 RPM motor, and negative ion technology. In the kitchen, the AeroChef FD10 Pro stole the spotlight with its dual heatsink system, 360-degree hot poly air circulation, and 11 preset modes for effortless culinary creations. The CF10M automatic coffee maker simplified brewing with one-touch controls, multi-level temperature settings, and a compact self-cleaning design. Outdoors, the Mova 600 lawnmower demonstrated exceptional precision and efficiency with ultra-view sensing technology, wire-free setup, and app-enabled map management, making lawn care smarter than ever.